Hey guys, welcome back for another video. Today I'm going to be doing a video all about how to get your décolletage, your décolleté.
Is that how you say it? Your décolleté?
I'm going to be getting you guys summer ready so that your neck and your chest are going to look amazing in any summer dress, bathing suit, or whatever you're going to be wearing that's going to be showing the tatas. I actually used to struggle a lot with some dark marks and acne spots that I used to have. Once upon a time ago, your girl actually used to have some really bad chest acne that my skin really takes a long time to really heal from scarring. So I definitely have a little bit of marks here and there that you guys can notice. You can make your chest and neck look glittery and contoured and sexy and beautiful for any day. So before getting started into the video, please do not forget to subscribe down below if you guys want to see some more videos from me. It would mean the absolute world to me. And make sure that you guys give this video a big thumbs up if you guys want to see more of my face on a different social media platform. This is my Instagram right here, a little shameless plug. Make sure that you follow me on there, and let's just get started into the video. So in order for me to kind of do this video the way I wanted to do it, I wanted to be in a chill vibe. You guys know I love my chill vibes. I wanted to kind of show you guys first what my neck and chest looks like, so you guys can see that there's some marks on my skin. There's some, you know, blemishes here and there. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in. Let's see, okay. We are here. The first thing that I like to do is I like to exfoliate my chest. Now I did this off camera, but I love these little exfoliating gloves. As you guys can see, they have some sort of like Brillo pad texture to them, I guess you can call it. Just put it on and you just rub your chest. You want to start off with clean, oil-free skin with a nice exfoliation, because we are not going to just be covering up blemishes, we are going to be treating them as well. So you don't want to just cover up a bunch of blemishes on your chest and like not treat them. So I love to exfoliate, of course, every day, and that really helps lighten up the blemishes on my chest. There's going to be a lot of product repeats that you guys have seen in previous videos, but I'm going to show you a couple new things that I have as well. So first things first, we're going to go into the Glossier Body Hero Daily Perfecting Cream. I just received this the other day, and so far I'm liking it. I always like to go in with some sort of cream, so I like to just get my chest and neck kind of ready and warmed up for the fun we're about to have with it. So I have blemishes on my chest and my neck, and these are places that I struggle with kind of getting those dark marks away. So you guys already know from previous videos that I love to use a Dior Air Flash. I don't know if you guys ever seen me use it on camera, so I'm going to be using it now, but I kind of shake it up. I've had this Air Flash for so long, so I love to spray it on the skin. And honestly, you don't need to spray it on the entire chest and neck. You just want to spray it where you have blemishes. So like I have a very blotchy tan. I always have gotten blotchy tans, so I like to kind of make it look a little bit better. And like I have this like scar, do you guys see that? Right there on my neck, and it drives me crazy. So I like to go in with just a smidge more of that. And sorry, I'm looking up, that's where my mirror is. And I just kind of pat it in place. So the Dior Air Flash is one of my favorite for the body. Dries down as if it is like your skin, which I love. So the next thing I'm going to do is a smidge bit of contouring. I don't really do this every time I do my body makeup, but if I'm doing like a really extra bougie routine, I am gonna go in with a contour powder right here, and I'm just gonna swirl that around and just kind of contour my boobs. So you guys can see here me contouring, and I'm just kind of going in an upwards motion. Do it to like the contour of your boob, of course, like your natural boob. And then you're going to do your collarbones. What I like to do is just kind of blend that in like it's skin.
2,000 years later.
My chest is already looking more even, my neck looks more even, and it just looks way prettier. So if you guys want to get even bougier, I like to go in with the Fenty Beauty Body Lava, and this is the one in brown sugar. I like the darker one better than like the lighter ones, just because it just matches my skin better. I'm gonna put it kind of all over like this, and then I just kind of blend it in until I like the desired coverage. I have to really blend it in, or it can look kind of blotchy. And I do put this on my neck as well, not as much as my chest, but I do put it on both. Now I don't do like a crazy contour to my boobs and my collarbones because they are very much there, as you guys can see, and I have boobs already, so I don't really want the appearance of them looking better, or not better. I don't want the appearance of them looking bigger. I just want the appearance of them to look kind of, you know, more defined. That's kind of the look I'm going for. So next, we're gonna go in with a little bit of extra highlight. So I'm gonna be using the Glossier Dew Effect Highlighter, and this is in the color Topaz. And this one is also really friendly for my complexion. So I like to put it on my shoulders like that, on my boobies, on my collarbones like this. As you guys can see, it's just that extra bam that you're looking for. And then you're gonna blend it in with the same Morphe brush that I've been using, which is the Morphe M439. If you guys wanna get crazy, you can go right in with your Neutrogena Ultra Sheer. I love using this. I literally swear by this, and it's a sunscreen, so if you're gonna be out by a pool, woo girl, you're gonna look so freaking good.
This freaking top is like too small on me, but oh well.
We're not done yet. I'm gonna go in with a highlighter. So today I'm gonna be using the Glow Kit by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I actually found this at the bottom of my drawer, so I just wanted to kind of bring it back out for old time's sake, and I'm gonna be using Dripping in Gold. And I'm just gonna pop it right there on the collarbones, right on the right on the shoulders, and you can do it down your neck as well. Okay, and this is pretty much the chest afterwards. So we covered up blemishes, we got it nice and pretty, we got the collarbones more defined, the boobs more defined. It's just so much prettier. So this is pretty much it, and I just feel so much better and prettier and just, I'm ready to take on the night now. I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know down below if you guys are gonna try this out. I would love to hear from you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah! I love you guys so much. I apologize for being so sick. Hopefully I will get better before the next video, but if not, maybe we'll do like a sick routine or something. Okay, love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in my next one. Mwah!